In today's video, I am going to teach you how to invite additional attendee in Microsoft Outlook meeting. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring someone new into an existing meeting without recreating anything from scratch. This works across most Outlook versions, and while the buttons might look slightly different, the flow is the same. First, open Outlook. If you've been working in Mail or another area, switch over to your calendar. You can do this from the navigation pane or the calendar icon along the edge of the app. Once you are in calendar view, locate the meeting you want to update. It might help to use the day or week view so you can spot it quickly. Double-click the meeting to open it. If you see a prompt asking whether you want to open just this occurrence or the whole series, pick the option that matches what you need. Opening just the single occurrence keeps your changes limited to that one meeting. Opening the series applies your changes to every instance of that recurring meeting. With the meeting window open, click Edit. In some layouts, Edit appears in the toolbar or ribbon. You are now in editing mode, which allows you to change attendees and other details. Look for the optional field. Outlook separates attendees into required and optional. Clicking Add Optional will reveal a space where you can add people who aren't mandatory for the meeting but are welcome to join. This is ideal for stakeholders, managers, or anyone who might benefit from the information, but isn't essential to the decision making. In the optional box, start typing the person's name or email address. Outlook will search your contacts and your organization's directory as you type. Select the correct match when it appears. If you are typing an email address directly, double-check for typos to ensure the invite reaches the right person. If you are in a large organization, confirm you've picked the right contact with the correct department. When you are finished adding the attendee, click Send. Outlook may ask whether you want to send updates to everyone or only to the added attendees. If you are just inviting one new person and nothing else changed, choose to send updates only to added attendees to avoid cluttering everyone's inbox. The new person will receive the invite, and the meeting will reflect the updated attendee list. That's it. Thanks for watching.